Welcome. In this video, you learn how to get Bollinger band values and maybe how to make evaluations. So, for example, what you need to do is, of course, after creating your new expert advisor or script, all you need to do maybe is to go on in the onTick function. And what you need to do is to first create a handle, a Bollinger bands handle, to enable us to get our values, let's say from the system. So I'm going to say int, I'm going to say bb, okay, bb bands, let me call it b bands handle is going to be equal to I bands is the function we use, and then we fill in the values, the symbol, we're going to use the current symbol, the time frame, we're going to use the current time frame for simplicity. For the period, let's use 20 for simplicity. For the shift, you're going to calculate the values from the most previous formed candle. We want to use 1. For the deviation, in this case, we could use 1.5, or you could use 2, or you could use 3, or anything you want. And for the price, the prices we're going to use close prices, and that's it. So what you need to do is, of course, we need to get the middle value, the upper band value, and the lower band value. So of course, what you need to do is to create for them arrays for storing these values. So for example, we could say double. We could say lower band array. All right. We could create a lower band array, and also we could create a middle band array, and also we could create an upper band array. Sorry, upper band array. Right. So if we want to copy these values, of course, we're going to first rearrange these arrays to rearrange them, and then we copy the values into these arrays. So we use array set as series, as you know, array set as series, right? We're going to set the middle and the lower band array, all right, and we'll say true. Then we're also going to do the same for the middle band and the upper band. All right, middle, and then for the upper band, upper band array. All right. So after doing that, of course, we're going to copy the values from the Bollinger band handle into these different arrays. So we use copy buffer function. Copy buffer. We're going to copy from the Bollinger bands BB handle. We're going to, for example, we're going to first copy the middle band. We're going to use the middle band is the buffer number is 0, and then this where we start from. You're going to start from the current value, and then how many values do you want to copy? Of course, you're going to copy like only 3 values, and then this will be the middle band array. All right. For the upper band is the same code, but the value for the handle is 1, and the lower band value, the buffer value is 2. Sorry, it's 2, not 3. So this means we copy from the Bollinger bands handle. This is the given codes for the middle band, upper band. Sorry, this is upper band array, and then this one is the lower band array. All right. these things are the same. So for example, if you could have a code, let's for example, which says, let's say for example, if um, the price, the ask price maybe is above the upper the um, current upper band, we enter maybe a sell position, right? Maybe you could set a simple condition. For example, let me say, if the ask, or I could say maybe symbol info double the current symbol, right? And then symbol ask, if the current ask price is greater than the upper band array, the current value. If it's greater than that, we could say we could maybe comment. Let's say comment. Please enter a sell position. Could say please. Let me use small letter. Please enter a sell position. Alright, in case you want to enter a sell position, of course you could write the code for entering a sell position, but that is very simple also. So a simple review of our code: we created a Bollinger Bands handle using iBands. This enables us to get the values from the system. Of course, the current symbol, current time frame, period, we use 20. You could change these values. The shift, we started from the previous bar, and then the deviation could be 1.5 to whatever, and lower. Then we created, afterwards we created the values. We created arrays to store the lower band values, the middle band values, and the upper band values. So first of all, we first rearranged these arrays as series, and then we copied the values from the handle to these arrays, defined arrays, and these are the codes for the different for the middle, upper, and the lower bands. And then this one is just to show us, maybe for example, making a simple evaluation, and that's it. Dr. Franz out.